Good day, everyone. I am Karlo Miguel Malbog, along with my group mates Amir, Amin, Clarence Jelo Padon, and Cedrick Jerome Santos, and we will be presenting our project proposal entitled What's Next, which is an electric utility bill and power usage predictor for the next month using linear regression analysis.
So what's next? What's next is a computer programming project that uses linear regression to predict a user's power consumption or power bill. The program prompts the user to input their data of either power consumption or bill per month to predict the consecutive month's power bill accurately. Many other programs or calculators nowadays require you to input multiple data points, such as how many appliances you have, or the electricity rate from an electric provider, such as Meralco. Additionally, the data points required to input are very easy to access for the user to acquire. And usually, the electrical power distribution companies do not have the prediction tools in their arsenal. So this project could greatly be implemented on their website. Next. So the goal of the project is to quickly help the user to come up with an accurate estimate despite the limited data given. It is innovative, giving the user an idea directly with few data points. The algorithm is utilized to visually map the program's logic and workflow, allowing for clear organization and to plot how the project will correctly output the correct data. Additionally, linear regression formulas that were derived from the principles of engineering data analysis from the core from the core of the predictive model. By analyzing trends in the data points, What's Next utilizes linear regression to estimate future consumption with accuracy. This approach balances simplicity with effectiveness, making it ideal for the limited data scenario.
Moving on to the conceptual framework, What's Next is a program designed to estimate either the next electricity bill or the amount of power in kilowatts per hour for users in the Philippines. Users choose their preferred option and input the past 4 months or more of electricity bills or power consumption data. The program employs a linear regression model to predict future values based on the historical data provided. After data validation and cleaning, the linear regression model processes the input and users receive the estimated output in terms of the projected electricity bill in Philippine peso or the anticipated amount of power. The conceptual framework emphasizes the user input to linear regression process, highlights the relationships between the model and output, and acknowledges the importance of data quality in periodic model updates. Visual aids, such as flowcharts, help illustrate the key steps in the program's operation, facilitating both development and understanding. The subsequent discussion will delve into these visual aids, providing insights into their design and significance in enhancing the comprehension and usability of the What's Next program.
For the flowchart and the main function, we first introduce the purpose or algorithm of the program. The user must know how to use the program. Then, we ask whether the user wanted to estimate the next electricity bill charge or the power consumption for the next month. We then declare the variables that will be used in the program. And after that, the program uses a decision code based on the string that the user answered, whether uppercase B or P or lowercase b or p. A call statement then invokes functions after the program decides whether to estimate the power consumption or electricity bill. Three functions are created. Function input P for the input of power, input V for the input of bill, and calc for calculating the linear regression and estimation. Next slide, please. Input V and input P use an array to record the values inputted by the user from the first to fourth month. Simultaneously, The for loops is used with the array that after the inputs are recorded. The function computes the summation of the values of the array for the sum y variable and the sum xy variable. For the last algorithm of the functions input P and input B, another call statement invokes the calc function. Calc function main purpose is to calculate the linear regression, estimate the next value. Lastly, the estimated value is returned to the main function and outputted by the program.
Our project, What's Next, has 5 key features. The first feature is that it provides users the choice between the prediction of next month's utility bill or the prediction of next month's power usage. Through this alone, it acts as a dual-purpose machine program that can help you predict either your power usage or your utility bill. Next, features 2 and 3 are also a dual feature purpose, which allows users to input their household's electric utility bill or their household's power usage for the previous 4 months. This is the data that will be used by the program to process and calculate and estimate the estimated next month utility bill or power usage through linear regression analysis. Which brings us to features 4 and 5, which provides an estimated prediction of a household's utility bill or power usage for the next month using linear regression. This is the main key features of the program, as it gives the user an idea on what their potential utility bill or power usage is for the next month, so they can budget accordingly. That will be all for our presentation. I hope that you can look forward to our final presentation of our project, What's Next. Thank you.